Hello, little friends. Today we are going on a color hunt. Can you help me find the red ball? Let's go. Look at these balls. Which one is the red ball? Can you point to it? Yay! There it is. That's the red ball. Great job. Let's try another one. This time, can you find the blue ball? Yes, that's the blue ball. You are so smart. Uh-oh, the red ball is hiding. Can you spot it behind something? Peekaboo! There it is. You found the red ball again. Wow, so many types of balls. But which one is the red ball? Can you find the red ball? That's the one. You found the red ball. You are amazing. Uh-oh, the red ball is hiding again. It's under one of these boxes. Can you guess which one? Let's check under the red box. There it is. You got it. That was fun. Now, can you find the red apple? Yay, you found it. Wow. Let's try some other object. Can you find the brown teddy? Yay! You found the brown teddy. You are so smart. Okay, Super Searcher, let's try finding the red ball one last time. There it is. You did it again. You are amazing at this. That was so much fun, friends. Next time, let's look for maybe a dancing drum or a sleepy blue robot. You will have to come back to find out. Bye-bye. See you again soon.
Dandelion Kids.
Subscribe today and be a part of your little one's learning journey.
Let's go. Laughing all the way.